Junior McPeeps here. He's feeling very chatty. What are you looking at? You just gonna sit there or you gonna do something? Well, I'd go down there, but I don't want to spook you. You just ate a bug. Is that what you're doing there? You picking off ants? You little squib? You might be. Well, can you fly or not? Yes, hello. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Alright, buddy. If you're just gonna hang out there and eat ants, then I suppose you might as well enjoy the day. Nope. It's feeling jumpy. Look at, I mean, who does this? What kind of bird climbs a ladder one step at a time? Yeah, you made it up another one. He's coming up here to hang out. There you go. Good job, buddy. Damn, boy, you're good. Nope. Bathroom break at the oh, he's not going to make the last step. It's too tall. Maybe it will. My God, look at this guy. Impressive. Whoa, good for you, dude. You apparently know how to fly. Landed perfectly in that tree. So that bird decided to climb this entire stepladder and then jump off the top step and go into that tree. Thus concludes my video of a baby bird climbing a stepladder and then flying into a tree. That is all.